Imagine a world where luxury knows no limits, where the boundaries between opulent automotive craftsmanship and the ultimate home on wheels experience disappear. That's the vision behind the breathtaking 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome, a masterpiece that fuses the brand's legendary elegance with cutting-edge travel innovation. Rolls-Royce has long been a symbol of uncompromising luxury, but in 2026, they've taken that reputation off the roads and onto the open highways of adventure. This motorhome isn't just transportation, it's a rolling palace designed for those who demand the very best no matter where they are in the world. The moment you lay eyes on it, the sheer scale and presence of the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome take your breath away. Its silhouette is a perfect blend of grandeur and aerodynamic precision. The iconic Rolls-Royce grille dominates the front fascia, flanked by razor-sharp LED matrix headlights that provide crystal-clear visibility in any condition. The bodywork is sculpted to perfection, with fluid lines that make this large vehicle appear both powerful and graceful. Subtle chrome accents run along the length of the body, and the Spirit of Ecstasy emblem stands proudly at the front, reminding you that this is no ordinary motorhome. The two-tone paint finish is available in bespoke colors, meticulously handcrafted to the customer's specifications, with a mirror-like gloss that reflects the landscape as you travel. The massive panoramic windshield offers an uninterrupted view of the road ahead, while electronically retractable side steps ensure a graceful entrance and exit. The rear section integrates beautifully with the living quarters, maintaining the Rolls-Royce aesthetic from nose to tail. And you're immediately enveloped in a world of unmatched luxury. The cabin is more akin to a 5-star penthouse suite than any traditional RV. Every surface is dressed in the finest materials. Hand-stitched leather sourced from the best tanneries, sustainably harvested exotic woods polished to perfection, and custom-milled metal switchgear that feels like jewelry in your hands. The lighting is fully customizable, with an ambient LED system capable of creating over 1 million color combinations to set the perfect mood, whether it's a soft golden glow for an evening of relaxation or a bright, invigorating white light for early morning departures. Plush carpeting and handcrafted rugs line the floors, while the walls are adorned with suede or silk panels, depending on the customer's taste. The main lounge area features deep, contoured sofas with adjustable recline and built-in massaging and heating functions. Hidden within the armrests are touchscreens that control every aspect of the motorhome, from climate settings and entertainment to privacy blinds and lighting scenes. In the center of the lounge, a crystal-topped coffee table can rise and transform